Hi, Mr. Suhu. Okay, so this is my Unit 7 video. I have a special guest star. And, yeah, I hope you enjoy it. But that's it. Bye. Alright, Mr. Suhu. Get ready for the first problem. Okay, so for this problem, we are solving rational expressions. And so we have 2 parentheses x plus 7 over x plus 4 minus 2 equals 4x plus 20 over 2x plus 8. So first, you're gonna put negative 2 over 1, and then you're gonna take out the common factor. You're gonna factor it, and then after you do that, you're gonna find the least common denominator, which is x plus 4, and then you do that by multiplying your denominators, which is x plus 4 times 1 and times x plus 4. So then you get this written in green, and after you distribute these, you will get 2x plus 14 minus 2x minus 8 equals 2x plus 10. Then you're gonna combine your like terms, and then after you do that, you'll get 6 equals 2x plus 10. And then you are going to get the x alone, and you're gonna end up with negative 2, x equals negative 2 because negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Okay, Mr. Suhu, here's our next problem. Okay, so for problem 5, we have Devin takes 8 hours to clean her room. Carina and Devin working together takes 5. How long will Carina take to clean Devin's room by herself? So we have 1 over 8 plus 1 over x equals 1 over 5. Our least common denominator is 40x because you get that by multiplying your denominators. Then you're going to replace the 40x into the numerator, and then you'll have 40x over 8 plus 40x over x equals 40x over 5. Then you're gonna factor that, and you'll get 5x plus 40 equals 8x. Then you're going to get the x alone, and you'll get 40 equals 3x. And then you're going to divide 40 over 3, and you end up with 13.3 hours. Alright, Mr. Suhu, this is the last problem. Let's go! Okay, so for our last problem, I'm going to show you an example of a lever. So this is the fulcrum point, and you place an object at the end of the ruler, and you basically, to make this go up, when you move really heavy objects and you can't do it with your hands, people use levers. Like, for instance, moving rocks, really heavy rocks that are way too much to move with your hands. People use levers and place objects at the end of the piece of wood or whatever they're using, and they use a heavier they move the object backward to make it so that it balances out and so that they can move the object. For instance, if you move this closer, then this will go down. And if you move this back, move this closer, then it balances out.